Students, in this module, we will talk about the instruments of social action, which means that what kind of the tools and techniques we use in social action method. We see that most importantly, there are 8 types there are 8 instruments in the method of social action, like volunteerism, mobilization, and in mobilization, we talk about the participatory approach, PRA, participatory learning and action, PLA, and then advocacy, lobbying, propaganda, bargaining, blogging, and signature campaign. So first of all, we'll talk about the volunteerism, which means to be engaged voluntarily within the welfare activities and to bring social reforms within a community, and to use involvement of volunteer labor for the community services, for rendering the welfare services within the community. And volunteer actions are performed on the basis of the free wills and wish of the community people, without any obligation and without exerting of any pressure on the people. Mobilization is another instrument of social action. Community mobilization is used as a strategy for involving the whole community, for involving all the members of the community in the process of defining the problem, the need assessment of the problem, in the planning phase, in the execution phase, and all the process of transforming the social problems. Mobilization process also refers to bring a movement among the people and to move the people for a state of interaction from a static state to engage the people while developing their involvement and interest for the welfare of the community. If we see the techniques of mobilization, PRA, participatory approach, is very important. This is a connection of approaches, basically a network of approaches and methods and processes to enable the rural people to present, to share, to discuss, to criticize, and to analyze their knowledge of their life situations, their environmental conditions, so they can plan and they can set the course of action and they can act accordingly. And it has been discussed by Robert Chambers also in 1994. Participatory learning and action. This is also one technique of the mobilization, PLA. PLA is basically a methodology for an interactive process of social development to attain the social development. And this approach is used throughout the world. And this approach is based on the concept of learning from the people, from the experiences of the people, from the knowledge of the people, with the people, while doing work with the people, and having the practical experience of working with the people, while living with the people and by the people. What kind of the skills, the techniques, the wisdoms, the knowledge they have. So this PLA technique is very important. Another instrument in the method of social action is advocacy, which means the process of standing alongside with the people who can't raise their voice for their rights. These people are the left behind, the weaker sections of the society, who may be not that much educated, who may be not that much resourceful or equipped with information about the forums where they can talk about their issues, where they can raise their voice for their rights. So on behalf of those people, to solve their problems, to solve their issues, to help them, and to adopt the development strategies for them, to develop them, the task of advocacy is carried out as an instrument in the method of social action process. Even if the beliefs of the people, the opinion of the people, the faith system of the people, the religion, the tradition, the custom of the people are not according to all these parameters of the social action worker, or maybe the social action worker belongs to a different ideology and philosophy of life and the circumstances. But the social action worker works as an advocate for the less privileged people of the society. It is also important to do a strong lobby for the have-nots. Social workers normally work with the weaker sections of the society, the discriminated segments of the society. So it should be the great concern for the social worker to do a strong lobby. Lobbying as an instrument of social action is an art of educating and persuading the audience, and it can be done through direct one-to-one contact. Lobby can be formal and lobbying can be informal. You can have the formal sessions with the people, with the key persons of the community, with the key leaders, which are said to be the gatekeepers of any community, or the political groups, the political people, or having the informal sessions like using the other techniques and using the other methods of demonstration like art and culture and the folk wisdom. So these instruments can be effectively used in the method of social action.